In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change username on rumble.com on PC, laptop, or MacBook. Just follow my instruction. First of all, you can see I have already logged in on this. Click on this logo. Again, click account setting. Now, just to the left side, just scroll down the channel option. Again, click my channel. Okay, this is, you can see this is my channel. I need to click this edit, and this is the title on showing my name, and this is username MD Abu Kalam BD. So I can optimize it's my own way, and you can optimize it's your own way. It's no matter. Then click on save. You can see it's already changes MD Abu Kalam. That's it. It's easy method. Thanks for watching. See you again.